Hello everybody, so today we're dealing with Trigonometry chapter 22, exercise 22e, question number 29. It states that a figure alongside is a rectangular prism. X and Y are the midpoints of EF and FG respectively. That is, X is the midpoint of EF, it divides it into two equal parts, and Y is the midpoint of FG, it divides it into two equal parts. We have to find HX, HY, angle DXH and angle DYH. Firstly, we'll look at HX. This is HX. So I pulled out the rectangle HGFE right over here so that we can see it more clearly. So we know the property of rectangle that the opposite sides are equal to each other. So by that property, we can say that HG is equal to 10 centimeters. EH is equal to 8 centimeters. FG is equal to 8 centimeters because this is equal to 8 centimeters, so this is equal to 8 centimeters. And as Y divides it into two equal parts, so FY is equal to 4 centimeters and YG is equal to 4 centimeters. Likewise, EF is equal to 10 centimeters because AB is equal to 10 centimeters because CD is equal to 10 centimeters. EX is equal to 5 centimeters because X divides 10 into two equal parts, that is 5 and 5. So EX is equal to 10, EX is equal to 5 and XF is equal to 5. So that's what I wrote over here. Now HX, if you see over here, so this is a right angle triangle. This is a right angle because this is a rectangle. And from here we can state that that in triangle HEX, angle HEX is a right angle because it's a rectangle. It's a part of a rectangle. And then we can state that HX whole square is equal to HE square plus EX square because of Pythagoras theorem. And then we can state that if this is so, then we can just say that HX square is equal to HE square, that is 64, and EX square, that is 25, and that would give us HX is equal to root 89. That would be equal to 9.43 centimeters. So the answer is equal to 9.43 centimeters. Now we can move on to the B part of the question, which says that we have to find DXH, angle DXH. Now, if you look at this triangle over here, you can't really see it clearly. So I pulled out this triangle and made it over here. So we know DH because in rectangle opposite sides are equal, so this is 6 centimeters, and we know HX now, that is equal to root 89. You can write 9.432, but I'll write root 89. And then now you can calculate angle theta by using trigonometry. So first you're gonna write, you can write, but I always write so that I don't make any mistakes. So we have the opposite side and the adjacent side. So we can say that in triangle DXH, angle DHX is a right angle. Why? Because this is X plane, this is the X plane, this is the Y plane, this right over here. So it makes a 90-degree angle. So DHX is a right angle. And after that, you can state that if this is so, then tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent, that is going to be DH upon HX. That would give us 6 upon root 89. That would give us 32. That would, we can just write it over here, and then we can say that theta is equal to, after calculation, 32.46 degrees. You can say 32.5 after estimation, but I keep it to 2 digits, 2 decimal points. And then you can move on to the C part of the question, which says that we have to find out HY. So from this figure, we can find HY by using Pythagoras for this triangle. So we can say in triangle HGY, angle HGY is a right angle. And thus, when you write it's a right angle, we can use Pythagoras here. So we can say that HY square is equal to HG square plus GY square because of Pythagoras theorem. Now, after you have said that, you can plug in the values and you can say that HY square is equal to 100, 10 square, GY is equal to 4, so it's 16. And that would give us HY is equal to root 116. That would give us 10.77 centimeters. You can say 10.82 if you estimate it further. And then answer is equal to 10.77 centimeters. And for the D1, I'm gonna make a block over here. And for the D1, you can say that in triangle, they have asked us DYH, so this is the triangle that we're dealing with, and this is the angle that we have to find out. So we know DH because it's 6 centimeters because this is the opposite side, and we know HY from question number C that it's 10.77. So we can say in triangle DHY, angle DHY is equal to is a right angle. So after that, you can say that if it's a right angle, then we have, if this is the theta, if let's name it angle alpha. So if this is alpha, then the side opposite, and we know the side opposite and we know the side adjacent, so we can use tan theta again. So tan alpha, not theta because this is alpha, tan alpha is equal to, you can say theta too, though we have used theta here, so we'll say alpha. Tan alpha is equal to opposite upon adjacent, that is DH upon HY, that will give us 6 upon root 116, and that would give us alpha is equal to 29.12 degrees. So answer is equal to 29.12 degrees. Thank you.